Alright guys, we're going to do a quick unboxing of this Cobra Fortis 14-inch cylinder mower, which has been sent out so I can have a little play with all the cassettes and see what we think of it. So let's get it all open. There we go, big grass box. Looks like it hold quite a lot in there. I will put some specs and a link to this mower down in the description. Bit of the toolkit here, looks like some screwdrivers, 13mm spanner. We've also got quick release handles, handy when putting it in the van or car, or if you're going to store it in the garage at all. Right, there we have it, all put together. So the only assembly part you've got to actually do is threading on the two handles, putting some oil in the machine. Obviously you've got the height adjustment down here, so you want to be checking what height you're at before you're getting on the lawn.
To watch more, subscribe.